Assalamu alaikum, all my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you very unique and simple, easy, delicious mango drink recipe. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this, I have taken a grinding jar and I'm going to add in 1.5 cup of mango pulp into it. And along with it, for equal amount of milk, that is 1.5 cup of milk, I'm going to add into it. Now also add in 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar according to your sweetness. You can even add the jaggery or honey if you want to make it healthy. Now close the lid and grind it. So here you can see our basic mango shake is ready. You can see it is so simple. Now let's assemble it in my style. So here I have taken 2 glasses. Now I'm going to add in few ice cubes in both the glasses. And here I have mango jelly, which is optional, and I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon in both the glasses. Here I also have the mango cubes that I have cut in, and I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mango cubes into both the glasses, and finally pour our very delicious, simple, basic mango shake. And you can just see how thick it has become, and it is going to be very delicious and very tasty. And on top of it, I'm going to add in vanilla ice cream. You can use ice cream of any flavor of your choice, and finally top it with some more chopped mango cubes. And finally I'm going to top it with some dry fruits to give it a royal look. And this is going to be the final look of my special mango drink recipe. This is so simple to make, and even if you don't have the ice cream, just skip it and follow all the other things, and do make this mango recipe before the mango season ends, and do give it a try. Otherwise, I'm sure you're going to regret that. If you have not made it, you will regret for sure. So this was my recipe for today. How did you find this recipe? Do let me know in the comment section below. And now put in the spoons into the glass and enjoy. It is going to be very delicious and so simple and quick and easy to make. Just within 5 to 10 minutes your recipe will be done to enjoy this summer. So this was my recipe. If you like my recipe, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and family members, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. I'm going to enjoy, and do let me know where are you going to try it and enjoy at your home. And do also let me know in the comment section that what more recipes do you want. I'll sure make a video and a recipe on it. So we'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.